Did you know? From apes to AI, the evolution of humans. All right, you apes, listen up because it's story time. Thousands of years ago in a land far, far away. No, wait, it was actually just a few million years ago in Africa. Great-great-great-great-grandparents, maybe like 6 million generations ago, we swung through the trees with our primate pals, chimpanzees and bonobos, our closest living relatives. But something incredible happened. Some of our ape-like ancestors started standing up straighter, walking on 2 legs instead of 4. Some scientists think it was to free their hands to use tools, while others believe it was to see farther over the savannah. Either way, this change kicked off over 6 million years of evolution, setting the stage for us humans. First up, we have Lucy. No, not that Lucy, the one from Star Trek. This Lucy is an actual fossil from the species Australopithecus afarensis. Lucy and her kind walked on 2 legs like us, but had a much smaller brain. They also had a funny mix of ape and human features, like a face more ape-like with a small brain and a pelvis and legs more suited for walking upright. Scientists estimate that these ancestors lived between 4 and 2 million years ago, with Lucy herself being about 3 million years old. Now let's meet our next ancestor, Homo habilis, aka the handyman. Homo habilis means handyman in Latin. Homo habilis lived around 2.4 million years ago and was one of the first to use simple stone tools. They probably used them for cutting, chopping, and scraping, helping them get food ready, and maybe even attracting mates. Who wouldn't be impressed by a handyman? Their brains were getting bigger too, thanks to the growing demand for problem solving and tool making. They passed on their knowledge and skills, laying the groundwork for future generations. Next up, it's Homo erectus, or the upright man. Homo erectus stood a bit taller than previous humans and had a bigger brain. They also learned to control fire, which was a big deal. Fire provided warmth, light, and protection. It also helped cook food, which made it easier to digest and gave our brains even more power. Homo erectus left Africa and spread to Asia and Europe. Some even ventured as far as Spain. Talk about a long journey. And now, drumroll please, it's Homo sapiens. That's us. We evolved in Africa around 300,000 years ago and quickly became the overlords of planet Earth. Okay, maybe that's not so quick. It took a lot of time and some really smart moves. We developed complex language which helped us work together, hunt and gather food, take care of each other, and pass on knowledge. We also made amazing cave paintings, built awesome tools, and eventually domesticated plants and animals. Around 10,000 years ago, we started farming, building cities, and creating different cultures. And here we are today, sitting in front of screens, scrolling through endless content. It's safe to say things have changed. From swinging in trees to launching rockets, from hunting wild animals to domesticating them, from using stones to using smartphones, we humans have come a long way in a very short time. But remember, none of this would have happened if those ancient apes hadn't decided to walk upright all those years ago. So next time you're feeling bored or lazy, just remember, you could be swinging in a tree for all we know. Just kidding. Don't forget to keep learning and stay curious. After all, we're only a few million years into this whole human thing. Who knows what we'll invent next?